Town Square Shopping Center in Wheaton, Illinois has been around since I was 5 years old, and my childhood home is walking distance to it. There have been several retailers that have come and gone, and I want to know which ones you miss the most and would like to see them return. If you're not familiar with Town Square, it is located at the intersection of Naperville Road and Blanchard Circle in Wheaton, Illinois, and was built in 1992. The center was designed by renowned architect Robert Stern and spans over 200,000 square feet, featuring a mix of national retailers, local boutiques, dining options, and medical office spaces. For a while, this space was seen as going downhill, but in 2015, the property was acquired by Tucker Development and Hutensky Capital Partners for $57 million. And following the acquisition, the new owners invested significant upgrades, including facade improvements, new signage, and enhancements to the outdoor gathering spaces, such as the Center Plaza featuring a communal fireplace and fountain. If you've been in the area for a while, you will remember some of the retailers that are no longer there. Would you like to see any of these return? The first Barnes & Noble in Illinois was located here and was in operation for 18 years and closed in 2010. Sam Goody was a fan favorite until the mid-2000s, and my friends and I love riding our bikes here and buying the latest CDs. Other stores that have come and gone were Express, Victoria's Secret, Wet Seal, and Banana Republic. Gap held a significant location here, being one of the first Gap stores in the Midwest when it opened in the early 1990s. Should any of these retailers return? Some have gone, but it's made way for new businesses to come in and thrive, such as Wheaton 302 South, Nothing Bundt Cakes, Meredith J, Hotworks, and many others. And we can't wait to see the newest additions, including Bear Paddle Swim, Rayito de Sol, and I cannot wait to find out what's coming to the center of Town Square where Bundt Cakes used to be. What do you think would be a good addition to this outdoor shopping center? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Jackie Angiello, Wheaton Realtor and Townie and mom of 3. If you're looking for some guidance, I'd love to help.